about a 59-year-old man, Uva, who ostensibly seems like an angry, grumbling man. He is an organized person, strict with following the rules, drives the Saab, he has a routine, and any disorder makes him furious. He constantly finds fault with his neighbors and passers-by when they do something wrong. And he has been working for 43 years on the same job and is now a retired man. Uva has paid his mortgage, done his duty, gone to work, never taken a day of sick leave, shouldered his share of burden and taken a bit of responsibility. And his life takes a turn after the demise of his beloved wife, Sonia. And now he does not want to live anymore. Uva never lived before he met her and not after either. So he dresses in a costume, stands in a stool and he is going to hang himself, but it's a bad luck. His new neighbors are moving in. Parwane, an Iranian pregnant woman, her husband Patrick and their 2 daughters. And Parwane comes to recognize that Uva, despite his hard outer shell, has a mellow heart. So she decides to keep him occupied and give him the purpose he's missing, asking him for help with small tasks like caring for a strayed cat, teaching her how to drive, and so on. Every day, Uva goes to his wife's gravestone and brings her flowers. He promises her that they will soon be together. So he repeatedly attempts to commit suicide, but outside forces don't let him to do and consistently interrupt him. Firstly, Uva tries to hang himself, but the doorbell rings. Again he tries, but the rope breaks. He goes to the garage and intends to poison himself with exhaust gases, but Parwane is again knocking at the door of Uva's garage. Patrick, her husband, falls from the stairs and she asks Uva to take her to the hospital. Uva again does not die. Then again he goes to the railway station the next day with the intention of throwing himself under the train. But a man next to him loses consciousness and falls on the rails. And so he engages in saving the man. Uva again does not die. And in the process, he becomes more and more engaged with Parwane and her family and with other neighbors as well. Uva and Sonia were friends with the family of Roon and Anita, who are their neighbors as well. And Uva and Roon always debated about whose car is better. Now the government is threatening to put Roon, who has Alzheimer's, in a care home. And for Uva, it's a very sensitive subject. And he takes steps to help Roon and Anita with the whole community and successfully comes together. Also in the process, Uva forms emotional bonds with many of these individuals and felt happy for the first time since Sonia died. However, there are many instances where Uva was proved as a soft-hearted person. One day, Uva and Parwane find a cat near his house, but Parwane cannot take it to her house because she has an allergy. Therefore, the cat lives with Uva as his pet. Also, he gave shelter to one of his friends as he was thrown out of the house by his father on discovering that his son is gay. So, Uva managed to find another life after Sonia, and one day he dies in his sleep. He was buried next to Sonia and finally they are together. Uva's funeral was attended by over 300 people, the same Uva who once had no friends. And later that night, Parwane shows Uva's house to a couple. The wife is pregnant and the husband drives a Saab.